Eighth question. In triangle ABC, the measure of angle A is equal to the sum of the measures of angle B and angle C. Also, the ratio of measures of angle B and angle C is 4:5. Then find the measures of the angles of the triangle. Now we consider the measure of angle B to be x degrees, the measure of angle C to be y degrees. But they said measure of angle A is equal to the sum of the measures of angle B and angle C. So if angle B is x and angle C is y, so the angle A, measure of angle A will be x plus y degrees. So angle A is equal to x degree plus y degree, which is x plus y degree. Now this is the first condition they had given. After they also said also the ratio of measures of angle B and angle C is 4:5. Now angle B is taken as x, angle C is taken as y. Therefore x upon y is equal to, they said the ratio is 4:5. So therefore here we get 4 upon 5. Now I can cross multiply. 5 into x is equal to 4 into y. Therefore 5x is equal to 4y. Now this is my first equation. 5x is equal to 4y. I have to get one more equation. Now how do I get that equation? We are talking about the measures of the angles of a triangle, and we know that the sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So we use that property. So we write, we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Here we will add all the three angles, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C, and say that it is 180 degrees. Now they had said that angle A is the sum of measures of angles B and C. So we had taken angle A as x plus y degree. Angle B was x degree and angle C was y degree. So this is 180. So I can add now. Let us write it here. X, since here we are having plus in between all the terms, so we can just ignore the brackets. X plus x is 2x plus y is 2y is equal to 180. Now I am not writing the sign degree here. At the end, when we have to find the measures of the angles, we will write in degree. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. Now we see that 2 is a factor throughout in the equation. So dividing throughout by 2, this becomes x plus y is equal to 90. So we get the second equation, x plus y is 90. 5x is 4y, and here x plus y is 90 degree. Now instead of multiplying this equation by 4 and trying to make the two coefficients the same, what we can do is find the value of x or y and then put it in this equation. So we won't do this method. We will write here x is equal to 90 minus y. Now x is equal to 90 minus y. Then I write, substituting this value of x in equation 1. Equation 1 is 5x equal to 4y. So I write here 5x is equal to 4y. 5 into x. So x here is 90 minus y. So I write here 90 minus y is equal to here 4y. 5 into 90. 5 into 90 is 450 minus 5 into y is 5y is equal to 4 y. Now I will take the variables on the right hand side. 450 is equal to 4y, and minus 5y on the other side will be plus 5y. So we get 450 is equal to 4y plus 5y is 9y. Now this I can write it in the opposite way, that is left hand side to the right hand side to the left hand side. Therefore 9y is equal to 450. Y will be equal to 450 upon 9. So y is equal to 9 goes in 45 5 times and in 0 0 times. Therefore y is equal to 50 degrees. Now once we have got the value of y as 50 degrees, we can find the value of x by putting it in this. X is equal to 90 minus y. So x is equal to 90 minus y. Therefore x is equal to 90 minus y was 50. So x is equal to 40. Now we have also got the value of x as 40. Now if you remember, we had taken the measure of angle B as x and the measure of angle C as y. Therefore measure of angle A equal to, angle B equal to, and angle C equal to. Okay. Angle B was taken as x, so it is equal to, x here is 40, therefore 40 degree. Remember, we have to write in degree. Measure of angle C was taken as y, so y is equal to 50 degree. Y is here, we had substitute in place of y 50, so this is 50 degree. And measure of angle A, in the first condition we said angle, the measure of angle A is the sum of angle A and angle B, that was x plus y degree, that was 40 plus 50 degree, which is 90 degrees. Okay, so now I have got all the values of the measures of angle A, angle B and angle C. Now what will we do? We will check whether our answers of x and y are right. X is 40, y is 50. Let us check again. If x is 40, 5 into 40. 5 into 40 is 200. Here y is 50. So 4 into 50 is 200. So 200 equal to 200. This condition is satisfied. Therefore, the left hand side equal to right hand side. Seeing the next one, the second equation, x plus y is 90. X we said is 40. Y is 50. 40 plus 50 is 90. Therefore, the second equation also is satisfied. Therefore, the values of x and y what we get are right.